How to check story archive on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook application, and it will lead you here to your homepage, basically your feed area. Now on the bottom part, you'll see six different options there. You'll see home, video, friends, marketplace, notifications, and menu. So click on the three dots there. Three dash lines rather, and then go here to your settings and privacy, and of course tap on settings. Now the next thing that you want to do is to scroll all the way down up until you see the your activity section here, and you will see activity log on the very first option. Click on activity log there. Now after doing that, tap on your activity across Facebook and scroll down. Just scroll through it up until you see stories here. So click on the stories, and three options will come out. It's either your stories, stories activity, and archive stories. So since you want to check your archive stories on Facebook, tap on archive stories, and basically you will see all your archive stories here. And basically that's it. That is how you check your story archive on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.